Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find all your bookmarked pages or websites on Firefox mobile browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So I'll wish to go to any website and just bookmark page. For instance, I'll go to TechRadar website here, open it, and then I'll wish to bookmark this TechRadar website so that it is on my quick tabs. Now, to bookmark any page or website, I'll just go to these three lines here or these ellipses, and if you tap on the ellipses, now you have an option to bookmark the page. So I'll tap on bookmark, and now it has been saved to bookmark. Now, should you want to access the same page the next time you open your Firefox browser, it is pretty simple. Just open your browser and then tap on the ellipses again here. And if you tap on these ellipses, now you should see bookmarks. Here you'll have a list of all the pages or websites that you bookmarked to have a quick access. Then you can now tap on them. You can see currently I have 3. So to access any of them, so I'll go to TechRadar and just tap on it. And this now should take me to the official TechRadar website. So that's how you can bookmark and find a list of all bookmarked pages on your Firefox mobile browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.